So I'm here in Mount Jewett at the Kinzua Bridge State Park, and this is a national park centered around this viaduct, which was built back in 1882. It was rebuilt around the turn of the century, and in 2003 it was struck by an F1 tornado, which resulted in a catastrophic collapse of the bridge. Today it has been preserved and serves another purpose. So I'm here with YouTuber nzardoin and his brother for another crossover. We're going to be walking down there and taking a look at the structure, probably even go down into the valley. One's a guide rail.
Guide rail. Wow, that's pretty cool.
So at the moment we are currently heading down to the trail which runs around the wreckage of the bridge.
We got a long walk, y'all ready?
Yep.
Okay. This ought to be the last long walk of the day. We'll go home after this. Well,
Walking down here, it's a bit steep. You can see you guys are back there.
I don't have a belt.
All right, so we're down here in the valley. As you can see, we're just down below the tower where we were standing a moment ago. We've got all this wreckage here behind me. So we're gonna be heading up north. Hard to believe how massive these are. So we're about halfway up now. You can see the wreckage here behind me. We're going up to that area right up there. You can see the remaining portion of the bridge is still standing. So it's going to be quite a hike to get up there, but I think we'll manage. All right, there's the old 1800 anchor bolts. Nick just pointed out this aluminum right here, that's actually parts of the scaffolding when they were working on this bridge. Apparently that went down when it collapsed. So right now I'm standing at the northern part of the bridge. As you can see, right here behind me is one of the towers itself, but you got the span just right up there. It's hard to imagine the sheer size of this structure and that it used to all be standing right above me. You can also see a majority of it down here on the ground in the valley. Oh yeah. Just a whole massive stack of ties laying here, all ripped off the bridge. So we're almost to the end here of the bridge. We literally the whole way back there. Walked down into the valley and up the other side. Made it to the other side here. Just coming up on the other end of the bridge. You can't go out on this section. It's blocked off. Yeah, here it is. This particular end, you can see the rails have twisted, gone over the side. So yeah, this is the northern end of the bridge. Definitely a case of tracks to nowhere. There's another look at those rails out there. So we're just taking a break here before we head back over to the other side. Sounds like thunder off in the distance.
It's either thunder and airplane.
Well, took a little break there. Gonna head back over to the other side now. Maybe film some video on the way back. Not really sure.